Alright, so today we got the Glock 19 Gen 3. MOS everything except for a couple of things I've done already that I'll explain later. So, clear. Clear. We're going to... We're going to do that. So, I have a 22-pound recoil spring that we're going to use. And I got this from theglockstore.com. Very good products. So first what we're gonna do is replace, recoil spring. And always make sure that your gun is oiled very well for an FRT. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the frame, and we're going to punch out this bottom hole right here first. Actually, no. We're going to punch out the top one first. It doesn't really matter which one you do, but to me it's a lot easier to punch out the top one. Make sure you also have a little mallet or something to give it a little tap. And then just pull right out, and then that's the wrong one. I like to usually get a thicker one for the bottom one just because you don't necessarily need it, but I like it. It's a little harder on the bottom one. I would definitely recommend a mallet of some sort. And also get some type of vise. I don't have one, unfortunately, but I have a couple things that help also make it work. And then, so what you're gonna do next is pop out this silver part right here. You do need the bottom piece to take that out. It's not just the top one. Top one holds in the slide lock. So then we're going to take out slide lock, set to the side, just like the others. We are then going to take out this back pin, which is very easy.